Hi, I'm Gaffney. We did this one the other day. I'm going to go back and revisit. You take your greens, you hold them up high, you cross to the left, turn to the right, cross to the left, reach up here, turn to the right. My hand's about an inch and a half below the stem. You want to use the dark side up, the way they grew. On this side, it's easiest that way. Now I'm going to clog the drain, which is right here. I'm going to clog the drain. And then, watch what happens. I cut them all an inch and a half. There's the vase. Move it up to the middle. There's your 1.5. And I'm going to start. Nothing touches the bottom. Yes, you clean the foliage off. Don't call me screaming Buckeye. That'll really help clog the vase. Some verbena. You say tomato, I say tomato. I'm going to put those in my lower deck. Orange lilies, start working in my penthouse. Lower deck, upper deck, penthouse. I also have roses to add. One, here's the lip of the vase, right out to here. 1.5 is right there. So you're going to cut them at your table. That way, you'll prevent flowers for the most part from hitting the bottom of the vase. As you proceed to do lower deck, upper deck, penthouse. Hydrangeas. Here's some more hydrangeas. Oh, here's a blue one. Add a blue one. The orange and white lilies, all 1.5 the length of the vase. See what's happening? I just broke the flower. I won't be so rough this time. People accuse me of being so rough. But you gotta kind of punch it through to get it to land. If I teach you one thing today, it's hold it low. Stop putting your flowers like this. Try and hold them low, especially on these side shoots. See that? That's the part you don't have. All your flowers are up here because you're hitting the bottom. Some fancy imported Dutch ranunculus. Do we need another hydrangea? Yes, we do. A couple more roses to bring it up a little bit. I'm missing my penthouse. Just start aiming your flowers, crisscrossing through the vase. These are all scrap flowers I turned into money. Sure, some more of this as I spin it around to show you what came out of weeds and garbage. Half of the flower shops in town would throw those scraps out, but I keep adding. This is for anywhere that you need beauty. Eucalyptus, barely gonna hit the water. Shut up, don't call me. Bob Ross would do this, I think, in his paintings. Yes, people keep calling me the Bob Ross of flower design. I'm not the Bob Ross of flower design. I'm the Michael Gaffney of flower design. My classes are all over the country. 1 day, 2 day, 4 day, 6 day design program. Join us. I'll have you designing like this by the end of the week. There's your view. See it? Yes, we do contemporary work in school. Very minimalist Japanese design. Today, we're doing a classic-based arrangement. Let's bring into the light, see what we got. Look at that. I'm going to adjust a few things. You can see that hole right there. I know you're saying, I hope he fixes that hole. You always find that perfect side to close on. Flowerschool101.com. Join us in class. I'll teach you how to do this. It's so easy. You'll be going home with this and many other things.